Hello everyone, Namaste. This is the class for today and we're going to practice. So let's see how it's going to be. Inhale, exhale. Okay, slowly hands front and the leg behind. Keep breath normal. Guru Namasakarasana again. Full cobra pose, lean body forward, try to stretch your spine, look up to the ceiling. Okay, and back to the child pose. Find the balance. Chandra Asana. Very good. Slowly down, palms on the floor, step forward. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Pada Hasta Asana. Inhale, head up. Raise your palms facing up. Open your chest. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, bend forward. Hug yourself to the front. Palm together, interlock your finger, thumb. Lift your upper body up. Low lunge Anjali Asana. Dhiyo yo naha prachodaya.
So the right feet have to press on the ground.
Yeah.
My right leg a little bit up from the ground.
No problem. It's a mean the hamstring is too tight. So it comes naturally up a little bit. So we need to increase the hamstring flexibility. So later on, if you will practice Sun Moon Bhujanga every day, then later on you can see your improvement. You can see your improvement. Right now you have awareness that my heels is not down, is up. But after maybe 1 month or 2-3 months, then you can see your heel is automatically down. Automatic.
Okay. Keep practice more. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Master.
Okay, Easter saying from Netherlands. I
Okay.
like this course. See you tomorrow. Namaste everyone. Bye bye.
Bye bye.